Hello and namaste. Raina once again with another pick a card reading. This is going to be our weekly guidance. So if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe our channel, and if you have recently subscribed, welcome to our community. So today in front of you, you can see here three color pencils I am using for the selection of your cards. So any color you can select. This is pink, red and green. You can see any section of the card you can select, any color you can select for your guidance, and time stamp it is given, so directly you can jump on your particular color reading. Before doing the pick a card reading, I shall be pulling card for the general energy for the week. So how the energy of the week on top of the every section, what is the general energy everyone is going to feel, and what is the probability of that, what kind of energies are approaching, and through the guidance we will see how we can cope up. So let's jump on the reading. So let's check first what is the general energy we are feeling in this coming week. What is the shadowy energy? What is the other energy? So shadow, we are having devil here, and the light is seven of swords. So a lot of tensions, the fear of insecurity, chances of cheating, because here devil has come, some negative energies has come. So could be many people, they are going to feel stuck energy with regard to their bosses, authoritative figures. They may take wrong decisions just because of someone else is showing some other picture and some others are manipulating. So if you are in a very authoritative position, for you it is advice, please pay attention to the people. Could be the people whom you are thinking they are in your control, they are manipulating with the help of some other people. So analysis, the taking the correct decision by knowing the situation well, that is very important for the authoritative figure or people who are elder in the family. So that could be for the family authoritative figure for the family. In general, I will say insecurity is there, fear is there, someone is hiding something, some lots of I will say people are lying a lot, someone is not showing the correct picture. You have to work a lot. I think you have to collect lot of information in order to make sure your life is okay, or in order to have more clarity. So here the mind, lot of tensions I can see here, so you need peace of mind. But this figure, this is not going to get you peace of mind. This is somewhere it is talking about hospitalization, bad health and all that. Just because of that you are not feeling peaceful, you are keep on thinking, simply you are thinking just because of different fear which is not yet come, or might be you are simply hallucinating regarding your insecurities. So this is something kind of everything, it is in your mind, and just because of bad health, bad connection, bad people, such kind of thing I do really see. For few people I really feel they may have some legal issues, they may be trapped in some legal problems, something like that. But I don't think so you need to worry, because if you'll just find out properly what is the thing, how to go ahead, then I don't think any problem will be there. But yes, since it is a major arcana, so some issues definitely it is showing. It is a negative energy, things may not move, it's a Capricorn energy, so things may not work in a proper way. So for you, I will say do the Venus remedy. Venus is going to help you in this week. So this is what I feel, this Venus energy is going to help. And this somewhere the Ketu is there, Capricorn is there, Saturn is there, though they are playing lots of ups and downs, lots of I will say it is creating a drama in your life. But not to worry, you have to pay attention on the Venus remedies that is going to help you this week. So now I'll move forward for the our pick a card section. So I shall be starting with the pink color, right? So if you have selected pink, for you I'm going to pull a card one by one. I shall be pulling. So for the people who have selected pink, let me see what is shadow for you. This is shadow, this is light. So we'll discuss first. This is the shadow energy, Queen of Cups. Lots of emotional things you are trying to manage in a cup, but the cup doesn't seem it is sufficient for you. You are not able to manage the situation. You are trying to show people you are emotionally stable, but actually you are not. A lot of things are happening behind you, and you know that what is happening, but somewhere you are trying to manage the situation. This is five of wands. Why it is happening? Lots of differences in thoughts, lot of competition is there, I think. And this is a simple competition, you can skip it also, but you are not skipping and you are involved in that, and you are somehow you are trying to manage the situation. You are thinking you will have mastery on this situation, but actually little bit if you'll release little bit, you will just see the surroundings, because you are busy in just seeing the cup. You just see where your eyes are focusing. So for you the advice is just little bit focus, you pay attention to the surroundings and just try to see the things. Other important things are also going here and there, it is lying, so that also you have to take care. So just little bit come out from your cup, come out from your emotions and be practical. Simply don't get involved, simply don't get hurt by small things. This, there is no point of doing that. Now I'll come to the how your finances looking like, and the this career relationship I will do later on. So finances, we are having five of swords. Someone is not giving the clear picture. I will just put the cards here. I think it is visible now. Okay. And the career, six of pentacles. I will arrange the cards. So finances, somewhere I can see the conflict. A lot of things are happening in your mind. Some third person is involved. Some third person is trying to create a problem in your finances. Though your career looks like stable, but still third party interference here also I can see, as if you are dependent on the third person. And this third person here, the third person is playing a big role in your finances also. For somehow I feel the career and finance, it is going to be your area of attention. I think just because of that you must be very much hurt, or you are thinking too much, and that's the reason you just wanted to sit and just understand things, or you wanted to just cry on your situation, but you are not getting that opportunity. I guess that kind of negative energy I'm getting here. But what positive you are having, though, since we hear the third person is there, so the other person, the second person, that person may be helpful for you. So you have to look for the help. Here also you see the three people are there, here also three people are there. So this third person who is creating a problem, why don't two people come together and just handle this third person? So I think you need to connect with more people. Just be open, just accept the situation and try to connect with people. What I feel, I think somewhere you are not sharing your problems exactly with these people. So this one person is thinking that person is superior, or whatever the person has done, that is correct. So somewhere I think you have to come, just turn back and just try to deal with this person. This is very, very important. Career seems to be balanced for me. In fact, I feel this is better. Finances, some third party interference is there, but that is a temporary, you will be able to manage. So I do not feel much problem. Little loss I can see, but that loss also can be managed with the help of other people. Might be you need some financial help, that help will be given to you definitely, but for getting that help, I think someone may create problem, or you have to take the help of the second person or third person, something like that. So third person dependency strongly I am seeing here somehow. So now I'll just come to the health issue. Health, we will see what is that. Health, we are having temperance, very balanced card. I really feel you need medication as of now. I think it is visible. I will arrange. Okay, so temperance is visible to you now. Okay, so temperance we got for the health issue. You have to do lots of healing, lots of watery energy I can see here. You need lots of healing, you need to have balance. Some water related problems definitely you are going to have, and you need proper medication. As I told you, emotionally somewhere you are not stable. You are trying to manage, but do not do that. Simply you do not try, take the help of others just to show others you can manage, you are superior, you are doing this. So don't do that. Take the proper healthcare, that is very important. Somewhere you are not balanced, that's the reason you are not able to handle the people well. So this is the message is coming here also. This is the reason, the financial support you may need, or just because of third person disturbance your health is also fluctuating. So but it's not like you cannot heal yourself. Definitely you can heal, that's up to you. Now I'll come to the relationship. What is happening? The pink relationship, we are having 3 of wands. If you are in a relationship, or if you're looking for the relationship, this is again a time for the waiting time. So just wait. I think still you are not prepared, but definitely the opportunity is coming to you. If you are already in a relationship, things are not okay. After some point of time things will improve, you will see the drastic changes. But just to get that drastic change, you also have to have good changes, the positive changes within you, otherwise situation may not improve. So here 3 of wands, what actually they are just trying to say, just wait, little more work it is pending, still you are not done, but relationship wise hope is there, progress is there. So if you are just waiting for the new relationship, it is coming. Just wait for some more time. Existing relationship, if you are struggling, I think this wait time, it will get you lots of broader picture. Just stand on a higher place and just try to observe what is happening around you. So this is the message for you, relationship front. Now here all together we have seen, we got the 6 number card, we got the 5 number card, this is the 5 number card, this is 14 number card, and this is 3 number card. 14 again, the total when I'll do it, there is the sum comes 5. So there is a monopoly of the 5 number. There is monopoly of somewhere, I feel the wands, we got the 2 wands, but this is the major arcana, so I will give importance to this 5. So this is coming the 14, this 5 comes from 14. So definitely you have to work on the sun issue. Somewhere confidence issues are there with you, and since 1 and 4 it is coming together, sun and Rahu it is coming together, that is not a good combination. So definitely it will create a problem. That's why this temperance is looking like you have to pour from one cup to another cup your things. You need to have balance. Somewhere the balancing situation, it is creating a problem. So overall, now I am concluding. I am not at all giving emphasis. This is your health card, or this is the career. This is overall numbers now I am assessing. So definitely somewhere you have to work with the sun, you have to work with the Mercury on priority this week. This is very important. This Venus looks great for you, but if you are doing the Venus remedy also, that is also going to help you. So for you, I will say, why don't you add a lot of turmeric in your food, lots of yellow color, or lots of white color, that is also going to help you a lot. Mercury is there, so definitely we have to add green, but keep on using the 5 color, that is also going to help you a lot. 5 number is good for you. 5 you can do, lots of changes are coming. You have to change lots of things in your life until unless you are not getting the result. So changes are here prominent. You have to change your perspective, you have to change the location, whatever you wanted to have changes you are planning since long. In order to improve, you have to do the changes. This is very important for you. So this is the message for you. One additional card I will pull from the energy oracle. This is the our top up guidance, it is going to be for this week. We got healer of the ages, 51 number card. Here healer means again the healing part has come. So somewhere, everywhere, the career, your finances, your health, your personal life, everywhere, I guess the healing is the issue. You need to heal your things properly. You are not seeing the other thing. Here Queen of Cups, you can see too much emotional, and she is focused with only this one cup. nothing else. The surroundings, I think it's a jewels or something, lots of water I can see around here, but I think she is not paying attention to anything else except this cup, as if anyhow you have to have the victory, you need that cup, you need that crown, otherwise you are not going to feel good. So it's like at any cost, so you are not paying attention to your health, you are not paying attention to your work also. I think somehow you are managing, and somewhere you are competing with simply with the people just to show off you are superior. So somewhere I think this message I am getting, and you have to pay attention on that. So this is the healing card, we got it. I think you have to work on your healings on top priority. Once you will start healing for you from internally, emotional healing is very important here. Once you will start healing yourself, you will see the other areas of life also are improving slowly, and you will have the result. But this is going to be your top priority, so pay attention accordingly, and leave your feedback whether the reading is resonates or not. Thank you. Welcome again. So this is the reading is going to be for the red color. If you have selected red, so this reading is going to be for you. So just pay attention what energies are coming. We will see the shadow and the light, and then we will see what's we are getting. Shadowy energy, we are having the lovers, lot of partnership issues, could be relationship concern, it is there, duality, combination, connection, and all that. And the light is 7 of Pentacles. So somewhere I feel the things are not improving with regard to your partnership, with regard to, I think, the connections, things may not be improving. The relationship also, it could be. So basically it is talking about a strong connection. This could be an issue for many people here, I guess, and the situation is not improving. You are still waiting, the situation should improve, and you are working also for that. But somewhere I feel the situation may not improve, and I think you have to look for the other side. So this is the shadow we got. Shadow, we got the lovers. So definitely the connection, relationship, it is talking about. Somewhere your attitude may not be good or something like that. Now we will see the career and finance. So this is the career, 6 of Pentacles. Again we got here, and we got the 6 of Wands. Career, finance, both looks very great for me. I feel the career, some location change, it is going to happen, some new assignment you are going to head. Overall it shows the victory, overall it is showing the improvement here. So I don't see any problem over here. The career wise, it seems great week for you. Finances also, could be you might have given debt to someone, so that recovery is possible over here. So overall the finances also looks great here. I don't feel any problem. Only here how you are dealing with the others, that is very, very important, because here also you can see the person looks like the same person, the red color. Here the person is waiting, and here the person is getting or might be giving. So there is possibility you are going to donate to the people, you are going to have charity, because here you got some good time. So you will think, just let's donate something, let's do some charity, because I got success, I am happy. So you are going to celebrate with the people. So whatever late time here it is, little bit improvement it is coming in your career and finances. So I do not feel much problem over here. Now we'll see some more, and then we will comment overall how it looks like with our shadow and light. So next card I'm pulling for the health. Health, you got the Hanged Man. Hanged Man, it's like health wise the situation is not improving, or might be you are not able to see the exact problem what is happening in your life. Here you can see the 12 number card. So somewhere this sun is ahead and the moon is behind. So definitely some eclipse, I will say, such kind of scenario it is coming. You are not able to see the correct picture. That's the reason you are just thinking better to make your head down and you will be able to see something else, because when you're standing correctly, then you are not able to see the things properly. So somewhere you have to change your direction, and you have to try to find out why the things are not happening and what is happening actually in your surroundings. So could be health wise the things are not clear. You might be struggling with some other issue and you are getting some other issue. That's the reason. Might be your medication may not be improving, it is not going ahead, or you are having the medication of some other thing and you are going through something else. That's the reason you are not getting the proper result of your medication. So health wise things doesn't look like much improved. I won't see much improvement you will see in this coming time. In fact, I would say whatever the basic medication, traditional medication you are doing, this is not the good time to change your decision. This is not good time to made any changes in your medication, whatever you are doing, what type of medication you are taking. Do not do any changes. Whatever you are having, just continue with that, because here just because of the eclipse situation it is creating, so you may not be able to have the good result during this eclipse time. This I'm just talking just because of based on the numbers. Now I'll come to the relationship. Let's see how the relationship is look like. Relationship, we got the 7 of cups. 7 of cups, again relationship might be people who are single. They are having lots of opportunity and they are assessing which one is the better, where to go, what to leave, what to add, like that. People who are already in a relationship, they must be having multiple things at a time to handle in a relationship. That's the reason it will make you full of anxiety. Right, here we got the lovers card. Here we got the relationship, some confusing time, some anxiety, full of anxiety time, or could be you are not getting your own time. So you need, either you have to analyze how to find out time, or you are having multiple things, you are not able to pay attention to something very important, something important you are skipping, something like that. The energy is coming here. When we had seen the 7 of Pentacles, again it is showing up small, very slow progress. In fact, there is no progress. It is again a waiting time. Here health wise we saw it's a health waiting time. Here it is nothing is moving, things are like stuck, it's at pause. This also it's kind slow down, not much improvement. So still you have to wait for your this crop to get ready, then only you will have some benefit. I don't know whether my crops are going to be ready or not, so that anxiety, that insecurity, it is coming. So basically I think the relationship, the connection, it is going to be a problem here. Some tension is there, some long-term investment you might have done and that you are not getting back. Lots of financial problem definitely I can see here. It may be approaching to you, but as of now the financial position looks easy. I don't feel it is very serious kind of thing, or much problems are there. So when I'll conclude all these things, we got the 6 number card, 6 number card, 6 number card, and this is the 12 number card. This is the 7, 7. So here the monopoly of the 7, Ketu is there. Here the monopoly of number 6, the Venus is there. Here one Venus, we got the major arcana, and here the 12 number 12, we got the Hanged Man. This is the major arcana. So health, definitely it needs your attention, but right now you are not able to see, or you are not getting the result. Many people might be they are connected with the new doctor or anything for the health issues, or you are thinking to connect, you are not able to get connected. This is the light energy also it is showing. Financially things seems to be balanced as of now. Okay, but in long run could be there is some old investments to your old people. You are not getting the desired result. So here it is talking about only a balance. Somewhere you are giving and then only you are getting, or might be you had taken, now you are getting back, or could be here again you are waiting. This person could be you also, you are waiting to return this person some amount. So some major investment, as I said, something might have done with your partnership. in your work, might be some contract might have you executed or something like that. For that the result is yet to come, but slowly it will come in your favor. It is a wait time, but it's not like completely it is going to spoil your time. So this week it seems to be little bit recovery definitely you are going to do, but in long run somewhere this connection, this new partnership or new project, whatever you had connected in previous time, that will take time to give you the result. So here somewhere I am getting during this time, people who have selected red, relationship, the connection is the one thing and the finances is the other thing. But that finances are also related to the people, related to the your new project, related to the new connection, that is dependent on that. Health issues you have to little take care, because as of now nothing is working, so you are worried. Relationship, we got the 7 number, something hidden is there and you are trying to find out. Don't do that, it will increase your anxiety, it will create a little problem in your relationship. So as of time I will say better not to go for that, because if in case you got to know something negative, your health is going to be bad after knowing this, and somewhere that expenses will be coming in order to go in order to for your medication. So that part you have to see. Here basically we are having 2 major arcana and the 4 minor arcana. One is wand, 2 is pentacles, and 1 is the this cups. So relationship definitely it is there, because when here lots of 6 we are dealing with, it's a Venus, it is talking about luxury, it is talking about a relationship, it is talking about a physical relationship, whatever it is, wherever the Venus can play the role. So relationship is a major issue over here, this I can see definitely. After that we are having a finances issue. Money is the concern, some property could be a concern, something like that, but nothing major, it is a temporary. Easily the things can be done with your hard work, so it is up to you how you are going to deal with. Health, we have the Hanged Man, things are not moving, it's a kind of the time of eclipse, as if nothing is working, things became so negative, or nothing is happening, neither positive not negative, what is happening we don't know. So it's a kind of pause, so just wait for some more time, things will improve slowly. This eclipse will be over and your health will improve. I mean, whatever the medication you are taking, your health will improve, but suddenly you are going to get through some health issues here and there, that is going to happen, but you have to pay attention to your health definitely. Now health issues, when I'm talking, it's a major arcana, how you are going to heal yourself. So since it is a 12 number card, so you have to do the healing with the sun and moon energy all together. Here you have to work on the sun energy a lot, so that you should have the confidence, your motivation will be high, you will be clear enough, and like sun you will have the I will say you can have the ability to take decisions or just to understand the situation well. So you can do the sun remedy, go in the sun, lot of this light I can see, so go in the sun and have the sun bath, that is very very important for you. Other areas of your life looks very nice. Now we will see what is the top up, one more message I can just pull from this energy oracle deck, what message we are getting, right? We got the adjacent possibilities, opportunities are there, as I have already said here, lots of good things are coming. So I think lots of opportunities are coming, solutions are coming, options are coming if you will pay attention. So help is also next to you, so instead of wasting time thinking too much, see these two people in the picture, you will see they are just focusing here. Instead of standing, why don't you do your work? Because standing and waiting, that is not going to get you anything. Instead it is just simply eating your time. So don't waste your time, simply don't overthink, don't get involved in other things a lot. If you are not able to understand, better to pay attention to yourself, that is very very important. That is the another possibility, the opportunity it is going to be. Once you are aware about yourself, I think you are going to handle everything, and your other areas are also going to improve. So here people who have selected red, this is the reading for you. Career oriented, financial, I feel it is a good time. Health wise, little bit pause is there, but that's okay. Better to wait for some more time, because later on the situation will improve. Possibilities are coming, so options are coming. Don't get confused yourself, and be careful when you're dealing with the others, because your response is also going to create a destiny for you. So this is the message for you. Now we'll move to the color green. Now I shall be pulling card for the green. Let's see what is the shadow energy, what is the light energy, and then we will pull one card for each situation for this week. Let's find out what is that. So this is shadow. We got the Empress. I think many of are having some work from home. This is the light Queen of Swords, work from home, some conceiving issue, family issue, lots of creative work project might be happening, like that. So basically it is talking about your creative side. Why shadow? I'm talking about shadow. I think here you have to pay attention. If you are doing work from home, just try to manage the other thing, because somewhere I feel you are not able to manage. Here Two of Pentacles, I got it. So somewhere you are not able to manage, and things seems to be like somehow you are doing some failure also, I can see. If you are just you are in a family planning, could be some little failure may come, or the some female energy help you may require. This female could be any doctor, any the expert person in that area, anyone it could be. This Queen of Swords, I got the clarifier, the Seven of Pentacles. So for many people, I feel you are working, and somewhere some documentation or something, some issues must be going on, something like that, or you have to work on that. For that, the improvement, the development, you are not getting the growth, you are not seeing. Some finances are also involved over here, I feel. So if you have done recent any investment, or if you're planning to do some business, work from home, or entrepreneur kind of work, definitely the documentation part, the documentation, the legally the thing should be okay. Here I think you are not getting the proper response, something like that, or things are not moving the way you want it to be, and you are not able to manage the situation. So somewhere you are just simply juggling with the situation. Many things I think you had also taken, so you are not able to do the family, the work, everything all together. Here also I feel, when I had seen the Queen of Swords, I am having the feeling somewhere this is talking about, the sword is talking about some surgery or something. So could be many of you may go under surgery, some just because of the lots of sitting posture, lot of work by doing like this, or could be overwork also, people are doing now these days, that may create a little problem, and this surgery may come. So surgery, it could be somewhere the lower part of the body, I feel. That's a different way. Now we will see how the other cards are showing. So this is the this shadow, it is talking about your creative side. Your creative side needs clarity, lots of improvement, lots of decision making it required, which you are not able to do. That area you have to see, otherwise you won't be able to see the proper growth. So this is the Queen of Swords, that only it is talking about. Be clear in your feminine side, be clear what actually you wanted to do, what actually you wanted to show. Be focused, otherwise the situation seems to be little you may not see the proper development, proper growth. But again, even you got the proper focus, things may not move, because you had already wasted lots of time, I guess, and you had taken so many things at a time. So that is also a issue, that things are not moving and you are not able to see the good result. So just try to find out what actually you are looking for and stick to that. So this is also another side of this shadow and light. Now we will see what is the career strength, finances, the Magician. Okay, so magician finances, it is talking about you are having sufficient things which with which the magic can be created, but somewhere your career doesn't seems it is working well. You are not able to do the things. This Saturn is not allowing your things to be done in a faster way, the way you want to increase your finances. So somewhere this career slow down is creating a little problem in your finances, but I think you are smart enough, you can create the finances from other sources also. Though it seems to be slow, though it seems to be you are not able to get the good result, or very hardly you are able to manage the situation which others are not able to do, still you are not getting the recognition. But just hold on, keep on doing. After some time, definitely you will have the recognition, definitely you will have the good result. Finances, you can improve, you have the opportunity to improve. I think the new opportunities are coming for you, which is going to improve your finances. Somewhere don't take any shortcut, it may create a problem, it may put you in trouble, because when I had seen this Queen of Swords, definitely I feel some litigation kind of thing, as I had already discussed. So it may put you in some trouble, so just take care, because here in career the Saturn has come. This is the karma, planet of karma. So definitely through your career you will try to create some shortcut, I believe, and that may give you some shock. So just take care of that part, because that's your free will, you can decide what actually you wanted to do. Now I will see health, what my cards are saying. Okay, so I got two cards for the health. First is Ace of Cups, another is Five of Cups. Health wise, definitely I feel here when I saw this, some many people must be in the family planning. So this Ace of Cups, somewhere it is talking about fertility, new family addition, something kind of thing, some new improvement, but later on it is not happening. So could be health wise you will see the improvement, you will see things are okay, things are improving, you are feeling good, but somewhere something will happen and you will start feeling uneasy. So things may not succeed the way you want. So little bit shock you may have during this week. So fertility wise, I will say some more time it will take. As I told you, some medication, some surgery may happen here. So that is the possibility I feel. Again, this could be such kind of thing may happen. Okay, so medication, some doctor interference, this kind of thing, definitely it is happening. Small surgery may happen. So health wise thing, though the things are improving, things seems to be okay for me. I don't feel much problem. This is a beginning, it can be cured, and you are at a good position. So don't concentrate on the negative part, just look for the positive, because you got the opportunity also. So some good signs also you will see here if you are in a family planning, and if you are having any health issues with little surgery or with a little medication, I think your things will improve. Not much, but definitely improvement will be there. And this improvement you can just definitely you can manage. It's not a very major kind of loss, I feel. Now I will see the relationship. What relationship my cards are showing? Relationship, we got the Moon. I think relationship things, either the things are not okay, you are not able to understand what is happening. Somewhere when I had seen this Empress, I told you work from home or home related things, definitely something is happening. Here when on relationship, the Moon I got, definitely I will say for many, some relationship issues are happening. Something you are not able to decide, you wanted to have some decision, you wanted to trying to find out something, or something scary either you will get to know, or you had already got to know. That's the reason here's when I said the documentation, litigation, something may happen. This female energy could be advocate which you need, or might be this advocate, they are not helping in your favor the way you want, and you are not getting the proper result from your relationship. So many of you may go on some separation kind of talk or something. I won't say exactly the same, because I never ever wish such kind of thing, But if something is coming, I think this is the moon, it is creating such kind of energy. One more clarifier I will take for this moon, what actually it wants. Yes, it's a judgment. As I told you, definitely something major it is happening in the relationship. You have to decide something. And here I feel you can't go back. You can't see back what improvement can be done and all that. I think many of you, if you are struggling with relationship issues, or it is already there, I think might be it is not started, or for many it has already started, but somewhere things are not clear. Still you are thinking where I am going, what is going to happen. But I think, trust me, this week some uh, positive input, I will not say positive input will be coming, but some decision making, something may happen. And again, it is a time, still you have to wait. The still is this journey is not yet over, you have to wait for that. So here when I had seen the finances, the magician, here I think through this relationship, through this litigation, I think some income you may generate, or you have to raise, you have to ask for your rights. Here you can see you have to ask for your finances from this advocate, or you have to have talk for the finances. The money is going to be, I think, the major concern. That's why the finances we got the magician. So you have to use your brain, whatever you are having. Don't think you cannot fight with these people. If it is there, this is your rights, and you have to ask, you have to raise your hand, and you have to ask. Yes, you are there, and you are ready to take your part, and you need to be very very clear for that. Until unless you are not clear, I think the things will be postponed, getting postponed, and you will not see your desired result. So could be things may not move the way you want, but definitely it is going to show you some path. This moon time, it will pass on, and this judgment will come, because some decision making, some clarity, some review, some clarity, definitely it is coming for you. Now if I will see what are the cards, we got the numbers first I will see, and later on I will just see the elements. We got the third major arcana, I got the 8 major arcana, I got the 1 major arcana, I got 10, 15, 18 number, the moon, the major arcana, and I got the 20, the judgment, major arcana. Lots of major arcana today we had seen in the green. So lots of, I think, the major thing it is coming, where I think something it is kind of destined, some major result, major decision you are going to get it over here. Little delay definitely I do feel, but you will have the justice some way or here and there. Definitely I am having this strong feeling of you will get justice, and you shall be feeling proud. You shall be feeling proud how your magic aura, your magical aura worked for you, and how confident you are. I think this is the message overall I am getting over here, whatever the situation is. Now I will see the other number. We got number 2, we got number 7, this is the 18, this is the 20 number card, 2, this is 1, this is number 5, 2 ones we got it over here, and this is 18, this is the total 9, total it comes the 9. Here 8 we got, here we got 3. So there is a majority of 2, I think. Here is the majority of 1, and here is the majority of somewhere I feel it's a 18, so number 8. So Saturn definitely it is playing, Sun definitely it is playing, and Moon, it is definitely it is playing here some major role. So lots of emotional chaos definitely you can see with this number 2, but you will have balance, because somewhere here Saturn is there. Things will be slow just because of Saturn, but you shall be going to have your result. In case of you are having trouble, I will say better you take the healing of here the Saturn has come, so you can do the Saturday any Chalisa you can read, or you can have the chanting of Baglamukhi mantra. That is also going to help you during this week. Or in fact, in case of any litigation, any divorce or such kind of thing it is coming, where your rights you are asking, I think for that you have to definitely chant the Baglamukhi mantra. That's very very helpful, and definitely it is going to help you. Now I will pull additional card, this energy oracle, one card I am just pulling. Let's see what message is coming. Okay, so we got the message strategy. As I told you, something definitely it is cooking up. It is related to family, it is related to money, it is related to abundance and all that, and you have to sustain in that, because you need your chair, you need your position over here. So for the, I think this is going to be a kind of week fighting for the position. You should be having clarity, you have to make the strategy how this the fruits, the all the fruits, it is going to be yours. So definitely you should be having the proper strategy to gain any benefit or any result which should come in your favor. I'm sorry. All right, so this is the message strategy for you. Just try to connect with great people so that you can strategize your things well, and whatever the plan, whatever the way you are moving ahead, definitely success should come to you. I won't say the success will not be yours, it will be delay, but success is going to be yours only. So just pay attention, be hopeful, things will be all right. So this is the reading, we are done with the reading. Make sure of sharing your feedback, and we will meet next week again with the another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead. Thank you so much. Bye.